My friends, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Friend, this video going to be very special for all of you. If you are a holder of Holochain, so this video is really special for all of you. In this video, a lot of people ask me that what's the next target of Holochain and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Holochain. So in this video, I'm trying to give you answer of these questions. So please, first of all, please subscribe my channel for the future videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and updates. As you can see here, first of all we have to look the last 1 day price predictions of the Holochain, and after that we detect that what's the next target of the Holochain in the next future days. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is last 1 day price prediction is on the screen. The change occurred in the Holochain and the last 1 day is about 6.64%. Good change occurred in the Holochain and the high price of Holochain is about 0.021095 USD dollar is the high price of Holochain in the last 1 day, friends. Now friends, that's how can we detect the price predictions. That's how can we detect that what's going next target of the Holochain coin. Friends, if we look the graph of the Holochain coin, so the previous period is going up in the future days. As you can see, they move upward and the previous in the start of the previous last day. And if you look the currently, so after today is a falling day of the XCM coin, but the change is in positive because they take a jump in the previous time frames. And now if you look the currently condition of the XCM coin, so there is a falling occurs in the XCM coin. So I think in the futures there is a jump occur in the XCM coin, because it's not possible for every any cryptocurrencies that they continuously falls down. There is a jump that is must for every cryptocurrencies. After a falls, there must be a some jump, friends. So same like that. Now the falls occur in the XCM coin, as you can see here, falls occur in the XCM coin, and after some falls they again take a jump. After some falls they again take a jump, friends. So what's the next target of XCM coin? As you can see now, the falls occur in the XCM coin, now take a jump, falls, take a jump, falls, same like that. This procedure is repeated by XCM coin. After some falls, now at this time they take a jump, and after a jump they again falls down. After again take a jump, fall down, take a jump, and that's how due to the jumping of the small, that's that's how they become positive and the price become high, friends. So what's your opinion about Holochain coin? What's the price change goes in a Holochain? What do you think about, what's your plan about a Holochain as they jump upward in the future or not? Please share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.